Hello dear students, today we are learning about snakes' name with their pictures. Indian snake, Indian cobra, variable bush viper, Egyptian cobra, forest cobra, king cobra, dragon snake, blue racer, anaconda, rattlesnake, ball python, python, greater snake, milk snake, mangrove snake, common lancehead, vipers, puff adder, inland taipan, zebra spitting cobra, wrinkles, pied ball python, lavender inchi, leopard inchi, Arabian cobra, African coral snake, rainbow snake, ring-necked snake, shield-nosed snake, bamboo viper, snouted cobra, gaboon viper, tree python, armor pit viper, banded crate, godman's pit viper, black-headed bushmaster, laser sundas pit viper, Chinese cobra, rhinoceros snake,